What up, guys? It's your boy Diplomat. I'm making another video today. We're getting ready to head out to the Dirty Sheriff and meet up with some people. We're going to be going on a nice ride today. It's a big old crew today, boys and girls. It's a big crew. Probably like the biggest crew we've had so far, for sure. We got Kyle, Jenna, Troy's riding the Road King. Hey, look at this. Look at this baby right here. XSR 900 with that nice, almost carbon fiber looking. That looks really good. I like it. They did a great job with this bike. All right, guys, we're finally getting ready to head out. Waited for Josh for like 8 hours, but it's all good, baby.
Oh, your fault, man.
You had to pick out the shirt. I see the brand new seam here, you know, looking good and shit.
Kept me up late last night, dude.
Not I.
It was you.
Not me.
It was you.
I had to redeem myself in Smash Bros, but that didn't work, so. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to roll here. Got the whole crew here. Getting ready to rock. We're gonna head up to Motorworks Brewing. It's in Bradenton, definitely. Josh is gonna lead the way, I believe, or Kyle, one of them is gonna lead the way. Me, I'm just gonna look good and kind of get there when I can. Hey, how you feel, Carl?
Great, dude.
How you?
Gang's all here, man. We made it together.
Oh, we made it one piece.
Mr. and Mrs. Crab. It's better when we're together.
I know.
Fuck it is.
I know. So much better. All right, let's go. Y'all peace out. Hey, there can't be a place to hang out. There's no motherfucking pinball, golf, fucking, the beer ball, darts. It ain't a place if you don't come here and there ain't no games.
She only got them Scud missiles, man. You're doing a lot better. At least they're going in. Did you get it? Get it?
I do this.
That's a winner right there. Winner, chicken dinner.
See that shit right there? I am number one. Lahu the her.
I'm trying to see the girth in this pants. Right? I should go to the bathroom right now.
Yeah, gotta take that for the well, and we're out. Chris, let me see that beefy hog, dude.
On my penis, bro. It's a
Let me see that beefy hog, Chris. Yeah, grab it. Ah.
in the face. I don't want you in the face. We don't want you.
Yeah, welcome to my OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, bro.
OnlyFans, bro.
In the face. Woo.
Whoa.
In the face.
Beefy hog. Anyways, catch him on the next episode. Beefy hog Chris. I'll let him play.
I like it, bro.
He's like, I don't understand.
Come on.
Cheers.
Cheers. Come.
Cheers, sir. Everyone, cheers, Chris.
Hey! In the face.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a quick one. It was just one of the weekends where all the friends kind of wanted to hang out, have a few beers, and enjoy a nice ride around town. Normally, we get busy in our day-to-day lives. We don't have enough time to kind of catch up and have some drinks and things like that. But this is one of those weekends, and I had a great time. Unfortunately, I didn't record a lot because Kyle's belt ended up breaking on the way back home, so I didn't record as much, but it's all good. We'll have more videos in the next one. Anyway, in my last video, I had mentioned that me and Shade Tree Surgeon were headed up north to Pennsylvania to pick up a new bike, and has arrived. 2004 FXD. A lot of you guys in the comments already have said it's a beautiful bike, very 90s style, very cool looking. And guess what? It is actually going to be the first bike on my channel that I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So this bike is not mine. This bike could possibly be yours. But stay tuned for the next video to get more details. Thank you for everything. Y'all be safe. God bless. And I'll talk to you on the next video. Peace.
Yo, bless the man. What going on, your roster?